Good morning. This is an extreme box break of 2012 Prominence. Brought to you by eBay user ID. Break that box. Timestamp it. 11:18 a.m. Timeanddate.com. Saturday, October 6th. We are doing last four 35-14. That was in the auction listing. Sealed box. Here's the break roster. Names are starred out. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh, just there's the numbers again. Box went out of sight for a second. I haven't opened this before, so alright, it's after Sure House. Alright. Empty. One pack. 3 hits. Alright. 2 from the back. Oh, let me pick it up. St. Antonio Holmes. These are all going to be numbered out of 897. Willis McGahee. Frank Gore. Ed Reed. Legend here. Floyd Little. Alright, now for the hits. First one is a field autograph for the Cardinals. Malcolm Floyd. I haven't seen too many of those come out of here. The field autographs. Save the last autograph for last. Jersey. Mohamed Sanu. At $2.99. And Orson Charles. The Michael Floyd is short printed out of 75. And the Orson Charles is out of 199. Alright, thanks everybody. Have a nice day.